10 eerie truths about ghosts. 1. Ghosts go by many names: Duppies, Jumbies, Geist, and whispers of the dearly departed in different tongues. 2. They are thought to be spirits of those who've passed away, some peacefully, others violently and lingering still. 3. Some refuse to leave. They wander in loops, trapped in echoes of their past lives, repeating routines forever. 4. A ghost is not a demon. Ghosts were once human who are now restless in spirit. Demons, however, were never human to begin with. 5. In many cultures, it's said that a ghost can feel the sting of your left hand if struck. 6. A ghost can feed with you in secret, stealing your strength and leaving you weak, the meal nourishing them instead. 7. If a ghost clings to an object, a home, or even a person, it may haunt you if you are in possession of or around that person.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
Ghosts are bound by their dark attachment. 8. Witchcraft can set ghosts upon you, turning them into weapons of torment in your life. 9. Ghosts aren't the only things lurking in the unseen and are not to be feared. This is because humans have power over them in this realm. They will not attack unless they were sent to harm. In those moments, fasting may be your shield. 10. Be cautious of who knows where you live. Malicious people can send malevolent spirits or demons to disturb your peace. A word of warning: the veil is thin, and what you invite can haunt you forever.